Hey guys, what's up? This is Thanksgiving with my brother and his wife Maria, or my sister-in-law, whichever you want to call it. They are the same height. That is neat. Just kidding. Make breakfast. Currently. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but I'm gonna do a lot of cooking, so we'll do that.
I approve.
Starting off with some beverages. And Barkley, come here. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, puppy. She's cute. Thumbs up right now. Just for her. I feel like people would believe that we were siblings.
It's true.
Or we were siblings.
Much closer in height.
Yes. So it's like, closer in height, not so much. Pictures are hard. So now it's gym time, and Maria is actually training with me. So I can train with her in person, and Colin tagging along for funsies. And today, it's back in biceps day, so
It's gonna be bad.
It's gonna be great. Alright, so this is the apartment gym, which it's not bad. Free weights, Smith machine, rower, elliptical, only one bench. However, they don't have any cables, so So that's what I keep saying we need more of, but no excuses. It works. Let's do this. Alright, Maria, what do you think? How'd it go?
I'm pretty good. I mean, I'm still learning how to do all the forms of everything.
Yes,
It's
second
good
day.
person.
How about you, Colin?
I haven't done a lot of that stuff since I was in high school. So my body wants to punch me in the face, but it's too tired to do so.
I'm tired to be able to punch you in the face.
They did good. Good workout. Now it's time to eat. Like eating food. Yeah, gotta cook.
Yeah. Oh.
That's cool. Alright, so thanks to Colin Hartman, I get to cook filet mignon. And I'm doing a parsnip puree, shaved fennel salad, roasted Brussels sprouts, and then I'm making chocolate chip cookies later. So it's pretty simple. But it's nice. It's not traditional, and it's actually really easy and quick. But it's expensive, but yeah. So thanks, Colin.
Glad to.
I appreciate it. He knows.
Grateful. Thanks for cooking.
I get to cook something special that I never get to cook because it's $30 a pound. Yep. All right, let's do this.
famous for keeping his feet on the ground. You can wait in your car for a minute, okay? I'll be right there.
Post Thanksgiving meal, post Santa Claus movie. Now we're just watching football.
Football!
Oh my gosh, this is not how the vlog should be. We don't watch
This
football.
is all a lie. I don't watch football. I'm not asleep.
And Barkley's dead too. She's Barkley.
Barkley Grace.
She's dead. Hey.
Barkley, look.
Hey. She's alive.
What year is it?
We're good.
It's football, Barkley.
That is it for this vlog. It was mostly just cooking, doing nothing, and being Thanksgiving Day, walking, slightly, but yeah. So non-traditional Thanksgiving dinner, filet mignon, and that sort of thing. But sometimes you just have to break tradition,
Yep.
and it was worth it.
Yep.
And then we finished it off with some chocolate chip cookies, which is also very traditional. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far. Peace out. See you next time.